Hello, everybody. About special days, weddings, celebrations, togetherness, cancellations, and all. Don't cancel. Don't change the love or the excitement you hold inside of you. How about this? You send out an invite anyway to your family, fair friends, social media, and everybody. And what everybody's gonna do is create a superhero outfit. Yeah, you not Batman or anything. You have to imagine. You have to use your own imagination. Create something out of things you have in your home, and when you're done, you if you live in an apartment, you can hang that outfit by the window. So whenever you wake up, it gives you courage and reminds you how strong and resilient and beautiful you are. And when the lockdown is complete and finished, everybody, can you imagine everybody in this whole wild world coming out of their homes wearing their own superhero outfits? And those outfits can go into a time capsule, which could be whatever of your choice. And every year or whenever you feel like it, you wear it. And when things just get you down, you take out of your suit and you wear your suit, or your it could be a band, it could be anything that says to you, you are not just a survivor, you are beautiful. You are light. You are ruler. You are everything you wish to be. And this time during lockdown, it's not lock up, it's look up at you. Love you. Because I do. Twa twa. Mwah.